Hey, I'm Ashton Schneider over here at Heritage Ford in Corda, Indiana. I'm here to show you this nice 2019 Acura Mdx. It's got a 3.7 liter V6. It's got a nice sunroof. Like I said, this is an MDX. It's got your badge right there. It's got nice 18-inch rims, chrome, with high performance tires. It is all-wheel drive. It's even got a little windshield wiper back here just in case. Inside here we have a display. We have another display. Here's all your controls. It's got heated seats. It's got leather interior. Here is your shifter, so your park, reverse, neutral, drive. It's got your cruise control controls on the steering wheel, and it's got memory seats, so if you have multiple people driving in here, you can remember how you like your seat. It's got power mirrors. All right, folks, now we're going to show you how fast it decelerates. I'll come around this turn right here, and we're going to gun it. There's 60. Nice, smooth, doesn't jerk you. Nice, good ride when you get up to high speeds. Up here, there's a couple curves you can get to see her on the curves. Takes the turns nice and good. Don't feel like you're about to tip over or anything. There's a really sharp one. The high performance tires make for a smooth ride. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.